In this video, we are going to compare the acidity of alcohol, phenols, carboxylic acids and sulfonic acid. Now let us begin with the alcohol. This is the structure of alcohol. Okay, if you see the structure of alcohol, you can see that there is an electronegativity difference between this oxygen and this hydrogen. So the shared pair of electron will slightly move towards this electronegative oxygen, and this electronegative oxygen have a negative charge, and here a positive charge. So, by the action of a strong reagent, it can easily remove this hydrogen. So, it will react with the sodium to form a alkoxide ion. Okay, this is the alkoxide ion. Okay, here you can see that the group attached to this oxygen or negatively charged oxygen is R, that is an electron donating group. So it actually destabilizes the negative charge. That is, the stability is when the negative charge or any charge is dispersed, not concentrated on a single atom. So here there is no dispersion of charge. Here only the slight increase in charge due to this electron donating group. So the stability of this will be very low. So now let us move to phenol. This is the structure of phenol. Phenol also react with some agents like NaOH, and this hydrogen is removed and form phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion means here O minus. Okay, minus plus H plus. That is the ionization of this phenol. If you draw the resonating structure of this phenol molecule, you can draw many resonating structures like this. But you can see that the resonating structure, this is 2, 3, 4. Okay. This 1 and 5 are electrically neutral. So there is no charge. But here you can see the two charges, positive charge and also negative charge. Any resonating structure which have a charge separation is not much stable. Okay, but after removal of this proton to form a phenoxide ion, this is phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion. If you see the resonating structure of this phenoxide ion, there is only one type of charge. Here there is two type of charge, so there is a charge separation. So it will be high energy and less stability as compared to this, because here there is only one kind of charge, and this negative charge can delocalize between this oxygen and all this carbon. So it is more dispersed and more stabilized. So as you compare the acidity of this alcohol and phenol, you can see that here there is a destabilization due to electron donating R group. Here this negative charge of phenoxide is dispersed in this is dissipated between these atoms. So phenoxide ion is more stabilized, so that the forward reaction here take place fast, and the acidity of phenol is greater than that of alcohol. Okay, so let us move to next member, that is carboxylic acid. So, from the name itself, we can see that here this is carboxylic acid. This is carboxylic acid. From the name itself, it is an acid, so it definitely will have some acidic property. Here, this OH can be easily removed to form this carboxylate ion. This is carboxylate ion. This carboxylic acid can also draw different resonating structure like this, as we discussed earlier in case of phenol. Here also there is charge separation in this resonating structure. After the removal of proton from this carboxylic acid, we get carboxylate ion. So if you draw the resonating structure of this carboxylate ion, there is only negative charge. Here only two resonating structure I have drawn, and this is the resonance hybrid structure. So here there is only two resonating structure, but you can see in phenoxide ion there are many resonating structure. We have studied that when there is large number of resonating structure, stability will be high. But still, here you can see that here the negative charge is on oxygen. Oxygen, what is the peculiarity of oxygen? Oxygen is a electronegative atom. So this negative charge is present on electronegative oxygen. Here also it is present on electronegative oxygen. But if you see the resonating structure of phenol, you can see that in this structure, these two structure only the negative charge is on oxygen. Other structure the negative charge on carbon. So it is not the resonating structures of this phenoxide ion is not these structures are not stable as compared to this structure. Okay, it is not equally contributing to the resonance hybrid structure. But if you see the resonating structure of this carboxylate ion, you can see that both these are equivalent structure and it will contribute equally to resonance hybrid. So besides that point, you can see that this negative charge is dispersed on present on electronegative electronegative atom oxygen. So the stability of this will be very high as compared to this. So carboxylic acids are more acidic than what? Phenol. Now let us compare the acidity of carboxylic acid and sulfonic acid. As we have already seen, this sulfonic acid, this is sulfonate ion. The resonating structure are given here. This is the structure of carboxylate ion. If you compare the resonating structure of these two compounds, you can see that here only two resonating structure in which the negative charge is dispersed on two negative electronegative atom. But here you can see that there are three equivalent resonating structure and the negative charge is dispersed on three electronegative oxygen. So it is more here there is more number of electronegative atom in which negative charge is present, and there is greater number of resonance structure. So the stability of this ion will be more than this. So sulfonic acid is more acidic than carboxylic acid. So as a conclusion, the acidity of sulfonic acid is greater than that of carboxylic acid, which is greater than phenol, and which is greater than alcohol. Thank you.